3, 2, 1.
Connecticut is called the Constitution State because the first written state constitution was penned there. What is the name of that constitution? The answer is A, the Fundamental Orders. What is the most useful quantity for counting particles? The answer is A, the mole. Which ocean has the longest coastline in a single country? The answer is A, Atlantic. Who developed the quantum theory? The answer is C, Max Planck. Why would a species camouflage as a dangerous animal? The answer is B, to avoid crocodiles. Which president wrote under the pen name Muthuswami Dikshidhar? The answer is C, Jefferson. Sammy Davis Jr. and Sammy Davis Sr. were part of a dance trio. Who was the third party? The answer is B, Will Maston. What is the philosophy of living for pleasure? The answer is A, hedonism. In early 2009, Scarlett Johansson was announced as the face of the new makeup collection by which of the following? The answer is B, Dolce & Gabbana. What sport was nicknamed Whiff Waff? The answer is B, table tennis. Which theory explains a child's cognitive development? The answer is B, cognitive development theory. What is the last name of fictional character Cordelia, who appeared in Buffy the Vampire Slayer and its spin-off Angel? The answer is C, Chase. What is the science of classifying living things is called? The answer is D, taxonomy. What interesting nickname was given to the U.S. state of Delaware? The answer is B, Uncle Sam's pocket handkerchief. Which stringed instrument is played horizontally on the lap? The answer is C, banjo. What mountain range runs along the western coast of South America? The answer is A, Andes. Which city was the capital of the Roman Empire during its height? The answer is B, Constantinople. In 1981, Richard Dreyfuss starred in Whose Life Is It Anyway? Which actress was famous for starring in the Broadway version? The answer is C, Mary Tyler Moore. What type of chair can rock back and forth? The answer is C, rocker. What nickname is given to England's yeoman warders of the Tower of London? The answer is B. Beefeaters. Who directed the 2000 movie Gladiator, which won 5 Academy Awards including Best Picture? The answer is A. Ridley Scott. What is the state of water at its boiling point at sea level? The answer is C. Gas. Which river forms the border between Canada and the United States at its widest point? The answer is B. St. Lawrence River. Which country has the highest number of political parties? The answer is A. India. What is the iconic shoe style associated with Christian Louboutin? The answer is A. Pumps. What 2002 horror movie is this quote from? Man has only been around for a few blinks of an eye, so if the infection wipes us all out, that is a return to normality. The answer is D. 28 Days Later. Which political leader was the founder of the Indian National Congress? The answer is C. Ambedkar. Which vehicle does Batman prefer to use in the Dark Knight trilogy? The answer is D. Tumbler. Which of these pets can you own in RuneScape? The answer is A. Kitten. In what year did Oklahoma enter the Union as the 46th state? The answer is D. 1907. Over the years we have become accustomed to hearing the train whistle. Who invented the train whistle? The answer is B. George Washington Whistler. Which operating system does Mac OS use as its core? The answer is A. Linux. 5 players were elected to the Baseball Hall of Fame in the first balloting in 1936. The first 4 were Ty Cobb, Babe Ruth, Honus Wagner, Christy Mathewson. Who was the 5th inductee? The answer is B. Walter Johnson. Tropical rainforests are an example of a climate that occurs near what? The answer is A. Equator. Which continent has the most extreme weather? The answer is D. Antarctica. What toy was in short supply for the 1983 Christmas season? The answer is A. Cabbage Patch Kids. What is made of minerals? The answer is A. Stonehenge. What kind of doctor is the doctor in the movie 3:10 to Yuma? The answer is B. A veterinarian. The sloth is native to which continent? The answer is D, South America. Students measured how long it took for an ice cube to melt. Which measurement best represents how long it took for the ice cube to melt? The answer is D, 80 seconds. Who invented the first commercially available general-purpose computer? The answer is D, John Atanasov. How many sides does a regular pentagon have? The answer is B, 5. Which human activity would have the greatest positive impact on the water quality of a stream? The answer is C, reducing use of fertilizers near the stream. What kind of substance does the female red-eye cicada prefer for laying eggs into? The answer is A, plant tissue. Which of these is a soccer team based in San Jose? The answer is A, San Jose Earthquakes. What is another word for brooding, keeping eggs warm while the embryos develop? The answer is D, incubation. Oscillations in the transcription of certain genes are at the heart of the molecular mechanisms underlying what biological rhythms? The answer is C, circadian rhythms. Which continent has the longest coastline? The answer is D, Asia. What genre is characterized by improvisation and blue notes? The answer is C, jazz. Actor John Inman played the role of what member of menswear in the hit British sitcom Are You Being Served?